How to buy Ethereum on Binance. So the first method is to open up the Binance app and then click on Add Funds. And on the top right, you want to switch to your local currency. So for example, you can pick USD. And then you want to click on View More to see all the options, and then click on Buy with USD. Next, you want to click on the Buy section here and select Ethereum. You can search for it and then select Ethereum. And then click on the payment method to select which payment method you want to use and click on Confirm. Now all you need to do is specify the amount that you want to pay. For example, if you can pay $500 to receive 0.23 Ethereum, click on Preview Order. And then all you need to do is confirm your credit card code to complete the purchase. And that should credit the Ethereum to your funding wallet. And the second way to buy Ethereum is using the P2P service, which is a little bit risky because there is scammers. You can click on the P2P or look for it in the search bar. And on the top right, you want to select the currency that you want to use for payment. And then under the buy section, you should see the crypto. So you can simply click on that. And then you want to select Ethereum from here. You can search for Ethereum as well and select it, and you should find all the available offers. Now all you need to do is look for an offer with a reasonable price that accepts a payment method that you can use outside of Binance to pay with, and click on the buy button. Specify the amount in USD that you want to pay, for example $100, and you should receive 0.04 Ethereum, as you can see at the bottom here. And the payment method you're going to use is Banco Brew Bank, for example, to pay the seller the money. And then once they get it, they should release the crypto for you. Once you press the place order, this should start the order, and you will have a chat with the seller to tell you the details to use for the payment. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And see you on the next one.